Good morning, guys. Welcome to G's Bird Room once again. Glad to have you guys. So, all the birds, well, most of the birds that were in the large cages are in here now. I just put these sticks here just for now until I get everything situated. I just wanted to see the birds enjoy a little bit of freedom. I got all my Goulians, well, most of them. My diamond doves. They're still getting used to the space of the flight cage. But they took baths. I got a little cutthroat female. She's all the way in the corner there. She's always laying eggs with a male or without a male. And I didn't realize she was laying eggs until I took her out and put her in here. So I put a drop of calcium in her mouth. I got some calcium in the water for her. And the other ones can benefit from it. There's nothing wrong with calcium. I just went outside and grabbed this long stick here. Because poor birds, man, they were just all over that tree up there. As you can see, there's not enough space. So my drinking water, I just put fresh water. They took a lot of baths yesterday. They enjoyed their time in there yesterday. It's nice to see the birds flying around. You know, gives you something to look at. When they're in the cage, when the birds are in the cages, it's nice to look at the birds in the cages, but there's only a few purposes for birds in the cages like that, and it's for breeding, making some babies. He's gonna give you a little show. I would zoom in, guys, but I got the fine chicken wire. I think it's like 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. I think there's one size smaller than this. Look how this guy hangs off the society fence. Like, he just hangs off. He's not stuck. See? He's not stuck. Look at him. He's gonna fall back down. That's called fat. These birds have a little bit of fat in them than they should have. Because when you're trying to fluctuate their body temperature through the molt, you know, I like to give a little bit extra egg food. So they have that little bit of fat in them. And then you throw them in a big flight pen, and birds don't know how to act. You know, their wings only move from perch to perch. Their wings didn't have the movement to fly up, to fly down, for none of that stuff. It's not focusing right. There you go. Cornell blue sleeping over there. Strawberry finches right next to the owl. Owl's in the middle. Right there. Man, this stinks. I still gotta put all my nest boxes in here, but I'm gonna try to not put anything for right now, but knowing me, I probably will, but I shouldn't. The babies are still doing fine. I just got done giving them a little bit of extra food. I can't believe I built this thing that quick. I still gotta do put the wire away, you know. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take all these cages out of here, except the 2 cages, well, except these cages. These cages not going anywhere. But I think after the babies are born and stuff, because I got a bunch of eggs here, a bunch of eggs on the bottom one. I got babies down there, and I got babies over here. I think that's it. Pretty sure. Well, I'm gonna take all these cages out of here. There's 6 big ones. And I'm gonna power wash every single one of them. Summertime, you know, gotta worry about anything. Well, springtime over here in Massachusetts, New England. Springtime now. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Today's gonna be a nice day. So I'm gonna power wash every single one of them and clean up a little bit. And I'm gonna put like a branch, like a tree branch in the corner there, just so when I go to work in here, I'll leave the door open. Whoever wants to come out can come out and fly in here, and they can vice versa. When I come out here, they'll shoot back right into there. And the other way around. When I'm in there, I can leave the door open and they can shoot out. When I have my outside aviary, they'll be shooting out to the outside. Jesus. See what happens when they have a little bit of body fat? That's a youngster. That's not a breeder. This parrot finch on the screen here, he came from up there and went bang. The birds that fly the best in here is the European goldfinch, strawberries, cornel blues, owl finches, and the grass mass finch, star finch. What is Goulian's parrot finch? Societies, and whatever else I have in there. Zebra finches. I got the orange, I got the triple black. I want them to lose a little bit more weight, you know. I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy that they're in there, you know, they're enjoying it. You got the diamond doves. They pick up the seeds on the floor that the Goulians and everybody else throw around. You know, they got the light in there. If they want the heat from the light, they can get it. I can't believe, look at this guy. Look at him. It's so funny. Hey, buddy. He wants to come back. Oh well. I'm gonna smoke the room. Maybe today in the afternoon with the quarter of my smoke bombs. I'll show you how it looks, guys. This is what I use. Great. This is great. Okay. If you have bugs in your bird room that you can't get rid of, you know, you can see them, but those little suckers don't go away. So I'll cut this in half, and that half I'll cut it in half. So I'll use a quarter. You can use the whole one. I never do, because of the space is not that big of a space. If you're talking about like a 14 by 14 room, then I'll recommend the whole one, but not this. This is a 6 by 14. So this room, you know, it was usually used for the pigeons, and I'm like, you know what? I sold a bunch of pigeons, and now I have it for the finches, and I enjoy these birds. I always had finches as a little kid, but as a little kid, I always wanted the colorful ones, which was the Goulians, and it was my dream to have a bunch of colorful ones. And now as an adult, I can have as many birds as I want, you know? So I'm gonna try this colony breeding. I'm gonna do it with all of them. I'm gonna let them go down on eggs when it's time to. I'll probably, you know, select some pairs and put them in the cage just because, you know. And my society finches, this one's in the nest. They got eggs in there. They got one baby there. They got eggs. There's a 4 society for 3. Yeah, this is 3. All those eggs are good. These are our finches. They got 5 eggs. And then I got some down there and down there. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cages of societies. If, you know, maybe I'll just keep 3 cages, but the white ones, 3 of them, so it'll be 2, 4, 6 instead of just 3. I can have a divider, and I can put pairs in each ones, you know, and then I can hang a few extra white cages, probably 4 white cages over here. And it's a mess, guys. This is, I get anxiety. I'm like a clean freak, believe me. My house is spotless. I hate having a mess. Hate it. You don't understand how happy I am right now. Watching these birds, enjoying the space. They can fly up, they can fly down. If you guys have any ideas, man, this smells good. This thing. Guys, if you guys have any tips and ideas, please feel free. Comment down below. I'll be more than happy to add some ideas and stuff like that to the bird room. You know, I want to put a nice bush, you know, tall enough, real dirt. I don't know how I feel about leaving dirt out for the birds like this, but we're gonna give it a try, you know. Put a bush over there. Put some nest boxes in there around the bush. Put most of my nest boxes on this wall here. I don't want to cut my my chicken wire so I can look through the outside, like, you know, do like this. I don't want to cut it. You know, I really don't want to cut it. But it would be nice to have it, you know, on the outside. But I just don't want to cut it, guys. Look at this thing. These guys are, even on the regular cages, they do this. Looks like he's stuck. He's not stuck. Like a weirdo. Call him weirdo. See, he's not stuck. And then they'll come right back again and just get stuck again. But this is great, guys. This is great. You know, this is not gonna be like this. These two sticks over here. No, that's not gonna be like that. Oh yeah, guys, if you have any ideas, let me know. You know, I'll be more than happy to add it. So that outlet there is not gonna be there. I'm probably gonna run a wire from there, run it on the wall, put that outlet out here so I can run stuff from it. You know, right now it's a little dark back here because the lights ain't working back here because of that problem. And I needed to connect the heater to that wire. So it'll be like vice versa. Get the green wire, connect the two up there, take that, bring it out here, connect everything else from it. But I'm gonna run it against the wall, nice, make a little opening and bring it out. In reality, guys, in reality, these birds should have stayed in their cage while the bird room was 100%. Okay, that's how it should have been. Now I'm gonna have to go in there. Birds are gonna fly around everywhere, like I said. Open the door. They're gonna come into this room, that room, this room. Make sure there's no birds out here so I can go outside. You know, it's gonna be a little bit of work, but I am gonna get it done. I just wanted to see the birds happy and, you know, take a lovely bath, mingle with one another, with other species while they're loose. So everything is working out great. They're about to take another bath again. I need to get a bigger water. I need to figure out what I'm going to use for the feeders, you know. So there's a lot of process. Well, guys, glad to have you. Any comments, write it down below. Thank you for the support. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I really did this. You know, you guys motivated me to do it. The comments, you know, everything just pushed me that much further to get it done that much quicker. Because I didn't have no idea that I was going to do it that quick, but once it goes in my head, forget it. Thank you, guys. The video is a little long, but good sights. Talk to you guys soon.